Hey guys, I had a little incident earlier. I was kind of cleaning up my phone. I deleted the video that I was going to upload today. So here we are at night, and I'm making a new video for you. The other one was just something I got in the mail, the usual thing, a toy. And so I'm going to do something, I guess, informative. I've kind of done it before, but here it comes again. This is how to increase the size of your ejaculate. I know, exciting stuff. So these are some supplements. Pills and pills and pills. Really exciting stuff. I've shown you all of these before except for one, horny goatweed, which is probably going to read backwards on YouTube. So learn to read backwards. Zinc, of course, 50 milligram. And pygeum. This one is really good for the prostate. Helps to clean you out. Keep your prostate healthy. This one has, of course, it's not just horny goatweed. It has tribulus and maca. And that's important. This is the one that you have to be 18 to buy. And I found out why. So anyway, these three supplements. Oh, I was going to say something about fappers and no fappers. I'm a fapper. But for no fappers, I was reading this article. It's a medical article, and it said, in order to have a healthy prostate, a healthy man should ejaculate 5 to 7 times per week. No fappers are killing themselves by not masturbating and not having sex. Well, I think they have sex. Maybe they're incels and they just can't get any. I don't know what their deal is. But I'm adamantly against that whole no fapping bullshit. So I thought that was kind of funny. No fap, no live. Okay, so this is your stand-in video for today because I kind of fucked up. I guess leave me a comment. Like it if you do. Don't like it if you don't. Do what you like. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye.